Hundreds of videos, a bank card helped investigators track down the man wanted for murdering Chicago police officer Luis Huesca.
Those details coming out during the accused killer's first court appearance today. CBS 2's Sabrina Franza joins us from the newsroom. And Sabrina, the officer's family was in court today as well.
Jimry, they both were. The evidence was extensive. The state presented a case based off of, they say, hundreds of surveillance videos, all showing Xavier Tate Jr. before and after the murder. As the family walked out of the courtroom, dozens of officers lined the way of Cook County Criminal Court for them, an emotional showing of their support for their fallen brother.
All the people that have supporting us in this horrible pain, in this very sad loss of my lovely son. Thank you so much for your supporting our family.
Edith Huesca, mother of slain officer Luis Huesca, wore her son's star number on her necklace and on her chest.
And we just to express or share that we are very sad.
After hearing aloud in court with Officer Huesca's brother by her side, the evidence gathered against the man police say killed her son in cold blood. Xavier Tate Jr., the 22-year-old accused killer, sat emotionless in court as those details were read aloud. Prosecutors recounted evidence that began 36 hours before the murder even took place. They referenced these videos, which were originally released by police, showing, they say, Tate purchasing gum using his mother's EBT card, something they used to track him from this scene to this one. Another convenience store, we're told, where he used the same card. He's wearing a different outfit. Prosecutors mentioned a witness who noticed him changing his clothes outside their window and took a picture. Just before the murder, we're told more video shows Tate walking as Officer Huesca's car drives by. The state claims Tate approached Officer Huesca while he was in uniform in his driveway and shot him 10 times from the driver's side window. They say a neighbor in the area looked out their window, saw Officer Huesca on the ground next to his car, shot in the face and elsewhere, with Tate standing over him. Then we're told that neighbors saw Tate take Huesca's car and flee.
This video and the assistance from the Gage Park community was instrumental.
Chicago police and other leaders outlined some of the same evidence mentioned in court.
Every T was crossed twice and I dotted twice.
The evidence that prosecutors say not only tracked Tate to the scene of the crime, but also showed him ditching the car in an alley nearby, ditching his clothes, fleeing to Wisconsin, Iowa, and Rockford, Illinois, before he was located in Glendale Heights. The prosecution summarized their case by saying, quote, he left pieces of himself at every turn.
Today I feel a little bit of relief.
The judge ordering Tate be held.
I hope my brother gets that justice that he deserves.
Right now, Xavier Tate Jr. is requesting a trial. His next court date is set for May 22nd. If convicted, he could face life in prison without parole. In the newsroom, Sabrina Franza, CBS 2 News.
Thanks so much, Sabrina.